Now I restarted my system. I go to that path where the installation is. Now I'm going to that path where the Express Advanced Edition is. I start it again there. Then it says, okay, a new edition, or install that edition. Now system works perfect. Update, I don't know. No. Not automatically. Maybe. And now we should be able to run. I want to extend my system. Now I have those options. Full text, there it is. Full text and semantic extraction. Replication is not necessary. And this one is, I know all that stuff. So now there's one account. So SQL Server full text runs as a separate task. It runs under NT service something else. So it runs in the background. And it starts, in this case, manually. I want to start it automatically. So, okay, that's it. And now when I start my SQL Server, and I open my database, now I go to a table, and here in projects, that's the table that I want to work with. And inside there I will find, what is it? Design. In title, I want this as a full text stuff. So it's not running in this point, but I will say in here, full text index, define it. After this it would be running. Table notes, and I need this field, title and text, maybe region. All those fields are necessary for the stuff that I want to check. Automatically. Changes should not be tracked. New catalog is full text projects. Actually, yeah, that's it. And accent not sensitive. default, select full text stop list, default. And now when I go to my table, I'll find now here my text field, for example, full text, and now it says it's activated, and I may deactivate it after this installation or initialization.